guys, and welcome back to another video from Upstate Garage. Today's video, we got ourselves a brand new Ford Mustang GT. It's 2019. It's got some damage to it, but it is a clean title. And I'm gonna go through everything what I paid for it and show you all the entire process. And then at the end, we're gonna sell it for a profit, and I'll show you guys what the salvage industry is all about. So right now, let's go through all the damage, write down everything, make a list of everything that we need. In the next episode, I'm gonna start taking the entire car apart. As you can see, I think this car actually got spiked or something because both of these tires are blown up. It's gonna be an interesting episode. Some damage to it. This is pretty much what took the most impact, and then as well as this quarter panel in the rear. And yeah, I wasn't expecting this much damage. Some of the stuff we didn't even see from the photo, as well as this side. This tire blew up, and I don't even know, it took an entire chunk out of the bumper, man. What is going on right there, man? Just the entire chunk. It looks like it's kind of melted or something. But yeah, let's go through the entire car slowly so we can actually investigate all the damage that we have.
But first, cold start.
Let's do a cold start on this thing, even though it's hot outside. I just want to hear y'all, let y'all guys hear the exhaust. It's got some kind of headers going, and yeah, y'all hear it right now. Alright guys, this sounds pretty good, but it does have a missing intake, or air box. So it's having a little bit of a hard time idling, but I did check, there's coolants in there, we're good to go. I'll let it warm up a little bit and give y'all guys some revs. Oh yeah, that sounds real good. All right, let's shut this off real quick. Yeah, but the interior, it's got these missing door cards, 2 airbags deployed, the steering wheel, and the knee airbag deployed. Dashboard is the one that's less optioned out in the glove box. I did find an original window sticker. What do you guys think? $42,000, that was the MSRP. And then I guess it was for sale from another dealership. They wanted $43,900, so $44,000 for it. So there's the entire spec sheet, all the options from the vehicle. There's some kind of service records right here that I found. Rear emblem cracked or something. So they did all the replacements. The owner's manual's in there. Surprisingly, seatbelts did not lock up. Pop the trunk for you. So the door cards are in here, but everything else is not, like none of the buttons, because they had to take apart the door cards. So none of the little plastic caps, none of the buttons for the controls, windows and stuff. Nothing's here. We ain't got nothing. And none of the spoilers, they took it apart. I guess they were getting ready to fix the entire car. So we didn't get anything. Like, check it out. They just taped up the holes and stuff. They could have just threw in the spare parts, but I guess someone stole them and probably sold them on eBay, and I'm gonna have to buy them. They took the mirrors. They took these vents right here. Popped the hood. They took a bunch of more stuff that I'm going to need. They took the air box. But they didn't even bolt nothing down. They left a bunch of bolts missing. These tabs right here, the radiator's loose. There's coolant in there, like I did say. There's no damage right there. They're talking about replacing this. You can just bend that back. There's nothing that needs to be repaired right here. There's absolutely no damage to this door. Actually, oh, there's like a little wave right here. They probably did that when they were taking the mirror off. But yeah, we're gonna have to end up fixing this quarter panel. There's a buckle in the quarter panel. Check out these wheels though, really nice. I love these upgraded wheels. We're gonna have to get a new spoiler. I have no clue what to do about this bumper because it's in perfect condition except this corner right here. So we're gonna try to repair that, honestly. If that doesn't work, we'll have to get a new one and the lower lip. For this quarter panel, I have a feeling this thing was already repainted or replaced, because I don't know where's the sticker at for the VIN number. Unless it's on the door somewhere, but yeah, no. Yeah, because look, there's black trim that's supposed to be back there, and it looks like it's gotten sprayed in. Yo, check this out. Wow, I got a good eye, boys. So this quarter panel has been fully repaired. I guess they did a pretty good job because look, these are the original spot welds. These are the spot welds these boys did. They didn't do a terrible job though. Yeah, they didn't even take this wrap off the roof. They just painted right along the edge. Pretty dang good job repairing this sucker. So yeah, I'm gonna be on the lookout for all the parts that I need for the Mustang. I'm gonna be on Facebook looking for some wheels. Maybe there's an entire set somewhere because these are all curb rash. I need new tires. Maybe I could find something for a good deal. I already hopped on eBay, bought some stuff, bought some mirrors, bought the spoiler for this thing. Called the dealership already about the fender. Found some headlights on eBay, and actually, I already got a hood, picked it up yesterday. It's a white hood, so I don't have to paint the jam. That'll be all in the next video. A bunch of parts are coming in, and stay tuned because this is a sick project. I'm excited to reveal it to y'all guys. So guys, I won the car for $13,025, so with fees and everything, I'm 14-1. And then delivery was $500 from Ohio. So do the math, and I'll be keeping track of the entire build right here, and then what we end up selling it for, and I'll show you guys the profit we can make, or we stand to make, on this 2019 Ford Mustang GT. Also guys, let me know. I'm using the GoPro instead of my actual phone today. I usually record with my iPhone, but today I'm using the GoPro, so let me know if y'all like the GoPro better or the iPhone, or if I should get a new camera or something. Y'all let me know down in the comments below. This is probably the hardest part of the damage that we got, and it's not even that bad. But dang man, check out these long tube headers, DBK. I don't even know what that stands for, but it seems pretty cool. Hopefully I can hop under here and show y'all. I don't know if y'all see that right there, long tube headers. Alright guys, so this is going to be the end of today's video. I forgot to film an outro, but just to say, I'm working on part 2 and part 3 already behind the scenes, so I'm going to be pumping out at least one video per week. So subscribe down below, hit the notification bell so you don't miss another video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and peace.